Hey, gang. When should you give up on a project, Poppy? When do you know it's time? There may be a problem with... Shut up. There may be a problem with a few seconds ago. My screen froze up. This relates often to supply. It's not a good idea to predicate a bunch of projects around one part unless you have it in the shop. If it's in a catalog, you can think about them 5 projects, but get the part in your shop. Don't be like American Chopper, mocking stuff up without the genuine parts. Or when I say genuine parts, I mean the ones you're going to use. You know, this junky old engine, it might save you from scarring up the new engine, but also it may not fit. Manufacturers change specifications like that. And they don't care about you. So if you predicate 5 or 6 projects in a row on one part, like I did with my Proxxon drill press stand, I was gonna put the micro make 1/4 inch high torque hand drill, adapt that to it for like 2 or 3 projects. Then the whole Proxxon drill press head assembly was going to be removed and grafted onto my shear line milling machine. I can probably order that high torque drill at the end of next month, at the end of August. It'd be middle of September before I get it. I'm not going to wait that long. Monday I'm calling American Science and Surplus, and I'm ordering the $89 drill press they've got. Frankly, if I'd been on top of my game and checking American Science and Surplus as often as I was checking Micromark, I'd have seen the $89 drill press with a 67-inch larger capacity in the chuck, plus it's got an actual keyed chuck, not a Albright style keyless. Ugh. I've still got that Proxxon drill press stand, but I'll find other ways to void warranty and mutilate the parts. Yeah. Then I can get back on line with my big milling machine project. I really want to get that done because there's a couple other things I want to do that I need the milling machine back up. And so Monday, American Science and Surplus is getting an order for the drill press. Hope I didn't wait too long, and now they're out of stock. Yeah. When else to give up on a project? When you come to the realization that it's a stupid idea, that'd be a good time to give up on a project. Ah, that's a stupid idea. I don't know what I was drinking when I thought that one up. Well, beat that one to death with a ball-peen hammer, okay? If you're saying, how did I ever come up with this idea? What were I doing? You know it's a bad idea. So, know when to say, "Nyeh." Now, what if it's still a good idea, but you've been banging your head against a brick wall of making new hardware when you find out that all I had to do was wire in a two double throw, double pull switch between the motor and the speed control and the... Yeah. But you did learn a whole bunch about them DC motors and all that, and making parts, Know when to quit. Find something else or a better way. The better way is the best of them. Oh, the way I was going out was wrong, but this is going to make it work better. That's the way you want to do it. What can I say? Noise. Anyway, good night from California.